Okay. So, ito na yung exam mo. Number 1. Hello, hindi pwede yung page. Sige. How to sit in the piano. Tapos? Feet flat on the floor. Yes. Hands on your lap. Yung shoulders. Relax. Very good. Next. Preparation. Nako, ulit nga. Preparation. Release. Preparation. Release. Release. Oh, release. Okay, ang galing ah. Aral. Next. What are the warm-up? Sige, number 1. Harap ka dito. Pakita mo nga yung number 1 na warm-up. Up, down. Ganyan ba? Yung naka-fold ba yung kamay? Di ba yung buong wrist? Yan. And then yung next? Circle. And then? Paano yung finger exercise? And then, may nakalimutan kang hindi mo ginagawa palagi. Shake. Yan. How many times should you do it? 3 times, 3 repetitions of 10. Very good. O sige, next. Where is, turo mo sa akin ha, where is the middle key? The middle of the piano. Middle of the piano. Sigurado ka? Tingin? Hindi ko alam. Ano middle of the piano? Patingin nga. Ano middle of the piano? Ayan, very good. O sige. Ilang octaves? Ilang black keys meron? Yung free black keys. Ilang set? 7. Ang 2 black keys. 7. Tapos ano sabi ko sa'yo, kapag nag-connect yung dalawa, pag naging bilog siya, ano mangyayari? Magkadugtong ba or hindi siya magkadugtong? Very good. And then, what is inside the piano? Gold? Violin? O harp? Harp. Para siyang harp. Very good. Sige nga. Explain mo sa akin. Ano yung nasa baba?
Pedal.
Pedals. Tama? Pedals ba?
Tama.
Ilan usually ang pedals? 3. So, yung nasa pinaka-right, tapakan mo nga. Ano yan? What does it do? What does it do? And? Noisy? Or louder?
Louder.
Okay. Now, the second one. Yung, anong tawag dyan sa second pedal?
Left pedal.
Yung bang second? Ano?
Middle.
Middle. Middle pedal. Anong ginagawa ng middle pedal?
Slower. Hindi malakas yung tunog.
Very good. So it makes the sound softer. Now, yung last pedal, pero wala siya dyan eh. Yung last pedal, yung nasa far,
Farthest left.
yes, farthest left. Very good. Anong ginagawa niya? Yung tugtugin.
Make the song.
Sound.
Make the sound. Ano?
Ano? Slower? Meron pang ganun sa piano? It, sustain.
Say the sound.
Okay, very good. Now, sige nga, turo mo nga sa akin. Saan ulit yung middle C? Yung middle ng piano. Okay. Yung to the left side ng piano, from the middle. Left side, ha? From the middle C, which hand should you use? Left or right? Yung from the middle key, saan yung middle key?
Right.
Yan. Hindi. Saan yung middle key? Tugtugin mo nga. Yan. Yung left niya, anong hand yung gagamitin mo? Left or right?
Left.
Left. And then yung sa right?
Right.
Right. Sige nga. Show me your exercises. Can we have your right hand first? Mm-mm. Sige pa. Yung one by one. Hindi yan, hindi yan. Yung one by one. Sige, left. Yung left ba, pag tumutugtog ang left, kailangan nandiyan yung right? Wala. Tignan mo yung kamay mo. Dapat ba nababali yung fingers? Tama ba yan? Nababali yung fingers? O, dapat paano? Paano? You show me. Bali yan. Bali yung fingers mo. Bali yan. Ay, dapat nakaganito. Di ba? Yan. O, yung one by one. Now, can you show me the notes of the C chord? Yung chord C. Very good. Anong notes yung nasa C na chord? Do? Very good. Ang galing ah. Sige. Last question. While you are doing your exercises, how should you do it? Slow or fast?
Slow.
Bakit slow? Bakit kailangan slow? What do you think? Para?
Hindi masyado madali.
Para hindi masyadong madali. Para hindi masyadong mahirap. Baliktad. Ayan. O, sige, sige. That concludes our quiz for today. You did very good. O, mag-smile ka naman. Ayan. Thank you. Say bye. Mag-bye ka sa camera.